How to fix ad note not showing in a post or reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to any of the posts and then click on the share option. With that, at the bottom you will find a fun option. Scrolling to the right, you're gonna find the option of add note. In case you are missing this option, what you have to do is head over to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Sharing. Here you will find the option of Notes on Post and Reels. Enable for this option. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, you might get the option, but still you are not getting the option. Then again, launch your Instagram, navigate to the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on Report a Problem, click on Report Problem without shaking, navigate to the option Don't Include and Continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that add note feature is missing in your Instagram and you can send it. With this, Instagram support team will get back to you. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Instagram app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to the Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. With these solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix ad note not showing in a post or reel on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.